Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. To unpair this watch from the Android phone, we need to open the settings on our phone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the settings. In settings we need to open the Bluetooth settings, and to do it find the Bluetooth option or connected devices option depending on your version of Android. It looks like this. And once you open the Bluetooth options, you should see connected devices, and we have other devices, previously connected devices, and stuff like that. And on one of these lists, you will see Galaxy Watch 6. Once you find it, tap on it, then tap on Forget, and tap on Forget Device. And now, when you open the Galaxy Wearable application on the phone, you will see that the watch is gone from the device page. And also on the watch, you can check and you will see that the watch is disconnected from the phone. Of course, you can factory reset your watch if you want to, for example, sell it to somebody else or give it to somebody. But just to disconnect the phone from your watch, you can simply go to Bluetooth settings and forget the device. And that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.